generation of Puppyoo's cordless vacuum cleaner, portable and convenient. Use on demand. Soft paddle brush can wipe dust and hair easily to avoid scratching the floor.
Amazing!
Two-in-one brush can clean sofa, gaps, and scraps on the table. It is suitable for more circumstances, such as ceiling, curtain, and bottom of the furniture. There are more surprises waiting for your exploring. Longer runtime with powerful motor, while shorter charging time. Freedom comes from cordless. New arrival of Puppyoo cordless vacuum cleaner.